Some of the automation projects require to create a pivot table. By using this, a business team can make a decisions how the data looks like because sometimes tabular data is not giving us the actual visibility about the product. So that's the reason we are going to create a table with the help of UiPath. Before we proceed, we have to just create table, and within this table we can build the pivot chart. This is a manual process where you have to select each and every pivot fields and drop it into columns, variants, rows and filter, which might consume times, a lot of time and resources from your team. This is the data where we have sales person name, products, units sold, unit price, total sales and all. If I wanted to prepare a PU chart, probably once and twice it's fine. But if you have to prepare this PU chart on the regular basis, probably it will create a problem for you or it consumes lot of time from you. That's the reason I'm going to show you how you can create pivot table using UiPath and Excel data. This will gives you a flexibility to assign this task to robot and robot will do it for you. Here you can even apply the filters, fields and everything. Manually, this consumes a time, but if you're assigning this activity to UiPath, probably it will do it quickly. So that's the use cases I'm trying to solve it. If you're visiting this channel first time, feel free to hit subscribe and bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. If you have any queries, comments related to this video, feel free to add in the comment sections. And question for you is, if you want to use these solutions in your projects, what could be the best use cases you can think through? Let me know in comments. If you're struggling to build those use cases, add inside the comment the use case details. I'll try to create entire use case for you. To start with this, here we are going to create one sequence. I will add the sequence name as create pivot table. Here I will add Excel process scope and post that use Excel file. We'll attach test1 Excel file for the data so that we can generate a pivot table. You can also see save changes and other details within this. Because I wanted to create a pivot table, I will just drag and drop create pivot table activities and tag the Excel file with details. So this details we wanted to give as start and end cell so that it's target those area to generate a pivot table. So source information is added along with the range, and here I wanted to add new table name as pivot table and Excel.sheet will be pivot. In this sheet, I want to have this pivot charts generated. Post this, I will add pivot fields. The fields will be salesperson. I will copy exactly same name which is available into Excel. If you try to do some typo error, probably it will create a problem. Field is pivot field is a row. That's the reason we just targeted salesperson product. Whichever fields you want, you can target it and accordingly it will generate. If you can recall the initial part of the video, I was trying to prepare the pivot table according to some fields. So that's the reason you can also prepare exactly same thing. So initially we have selected total sales, product as well as salesperson. So when we are selecting the cells here, we have to add count, average, or sum, this type of fields. And post that I wanted to add as date. So whichever fields you want, you have to click on add pivot table fields and add it accordingly. By using that, you can customize your end-to-end pivot tables and generate it according to your project's requirement. Once this entire process is done, you have to just save and run the flow. You will see entire pivot tables will be generated, which contains laptop, monitor, tablets, grand total, row label, sum total cells, and all everything. The way we are doing manually exactly same thing we can achieve it with the help of UiPath automations tool. This will give us the flexibility to assign this activity to robot itself and robot will create it for us. That's the power of UiPath, a robotics process automations tool which will help you to generate the entire flow from start to the end where you don't have to worry about it. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. If you remember any critical use cases which you are unable to do it, feel free to add the use case name in comments. I will definitely try to prepare examples for you and get back to you. That's all from today. Thank you for watching.